So it is more of a curiosity than it is an intrusion. When a contract mower would show up, these neighbors would be inundated with noise and heavy machinery entering the park and making a big impact on their day. My name is Amy DeFriscia. I am the Upper Arlington Parks and Forestry Maintenance Supervisor. So we are in Fountain Park today, and we really in Parks and Forestry wanted to use this year to pilot 3 locations for the Husqvarna autonomous mowers. They are really, we think of them as an addition to our full-time staff. The mower in this location is actually 4-wheel drive. It is articulated, so it can handle a little bit rougher topography within the park. It is constantly mowing. It has a disc about the size of a dinner plate under it with 3 blades on it that are about the size of a razor blade. Those blades are constantly spinning on that disc as the mower moves throughout the park, and only mowing about 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch at any given time. The mower runs constantly. When it starts to run out of power, it goes back to its docking station. It powers up for a maximum of 45 minutes, and then it comes right back out to mow. The way these mowers work, there is a perimeter wire installed the entire perimeter of the park. And so these mowers are really a combination of a dog fence and a Roomba vacuum you would find in your house. Schedule that we have it on currently is from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. It runs rain or shine. Our maintenance technicians and myself have an app on our phone, and we are able to see what these mowers are doing in the city at any given time. From our homes, from vacation, from wherever. We can see them, we can control them. I would not change any activities that you have had or want to do within this park while the mower is running. It will sense you and go the other way.